The extra money you earn or pay over time is called A. Savings, B. Interest, C. Cash, or D. Loan. Welcome to Lingo Ladder. In this video, we'll explore useful English words and phrases related to banking and money. From opening an account to making transactions, you'll learn the vocabulary you need to feel confident. This video is divided into 3 parts. Part 1, new words. Part 2, quiz. And Part 3, conversation. Let's get started. Part 1, new words.
1. Account. An account is a record of your money in the bank. 2. Deposit. A deposit is money you put into your account. 3. Withdraw. Withdraw means taking money out of your account. 4. Balance. Balance is the amount of money you have now. 5. Cash. Cash is money in coins or bills. 6. Loan. A loan is money the bank gives you that you must pay back. 7. Credit card. A credit card is used to buy things and pay later. 8. Debit card. A debit card is a card that takes money from your account. 9. ATM. An ATM is a machine where you get or put money in. 10. Transfer. A transfer is moving money to another account. 11. Bill. A bill is a paper that shows what you must pay. 12. Fee. A fee is an extra cost you pay for a service. 13. Interest. Interest is money you earn or pay over time. 14. Savings. Savings is money you keep for the future. 15. Check. A check is a paper you use to pay someone. 16. PIN number. A PIN is a secret code for your card. 17. Currency. Currency is the money a country uses. 18. Exchange rate. The exchange rate is how much one currency is worth compared to another. 19. Safe. A safe is a strong box to keep money safe. 20. Overdraft. An overdraft is when you spend more money than you have. 21. Branch. A branch is a local office of a bank. 22. Statement. A statement is a paper showing your account activity. 23. Online banking. Online banking is using the internet to manage your money. 24. Deposit slip. A deposit slip is a paper you fill out when you put money in. 25. Wire transfer. A wire transfer is sending money electronically to another account. 26. Balance inquiry. A balance inquiry checks how much money is in your account. 27. Payee. A payee is the person who receives the money. 28. Deposit box. A deposit box is a locked box for valuables at the bank. 29. Transaction. A transaction is any movement of money in your account. 30. Direct deposit. Direct deposit is money sent straight into your account.
Awesome job! Before we jump into the quiz, don't forget to like the video and subscribe so you won't miss any of our new videos. Let's go!
1. What do you use when you want to take money out of your account?
Correct answer is withdraw.
2. You can put your money in a to keep it safe in the bank.
Correct answer is deposit box.
3. Which word means the money you keep for the future?
Correct answer is savings.
4. A. Shows all the money you spent and received.
Correct answer is statement.
5. You must enter your when using an ATM.
Correct answer is PIN number.
6. When you spend more money than you have, it is called
Correct answer is overdraft.
7. If you want to send money electronically to another country, you make a
Correct answer is wire transfer.
8. What is the name of the small local office of a bank?
Correct answer is branch.
9. Is a card you use to buy things and pay later.
Correct answer is credit card.
10. The is the value of one currency compared to another.
Correct answer is exchange rate.
11. Is a paper you use to pay someone instead of cash.
Correct answer is check.
12. When you want to know how much money is in your account, you make a
Correct answer is balance inquiry.
13. The person who receives money is called the
Correct answer is payee.
14. Which card takes money directly from your account when you pay?
Correct answer is debit card.
15. Is an extra cost you pay for using a service.
Correct answer is fee.
16. You can manage your money online using
Correct answer is online banking.
17. The shows the total money you have now.
Correct answer is balance.
18. When you get money from your job directly into your account, it is called
Correct answer is direct deposit.
19. Is a machine you use to withdraw cash.
Correct answer is ATM.
20. To put money into your account, you make a
Correct answer is deposit.
21. What do you fill out when you want to put money in the bank?
Correct answer is deposit slip.
22. If you borrow money from the bank, you have a
Correct answer is loan.
23. Which word means any movement of money in your account?
Correct answer is transaction.
24. The is used to keep money and documents locked away.
Correct answer is safe.
25. Tells you how much you must pay for something like electricity or water.
Correct answer is bill.
26. When you move money to another account, it is called
Correct answer is transfer.
27. Is the money a country uses, like dollars or euros?
Correct answer is currency.
28. The extra money you earn or pay over time is called
Correct answer is interest.
29. Shows the details of what happened in your account.
Correct answer is statement.
30. Lets you buy things and the money comes out immediately.
Correct answer is debit card. You've done an amazing job so far. Now let's move on to part 3, the conversation. We'll use the words we learned in a fun dialogue. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more. Hello, welcome to Maple Bank. How can I help you today?
Hi, I'd like to open a new account, please.
Sure, would you like a savings account or a checking account?
A savings account. I also want to set up online banking to check my balance easily.
Of course. Here's a form for your direct deposit so your salary is deposited directly into your account.
Great. And how do I get cash?
You can use your debit card or visit the ATM outside.
Can I also get a credit card?
Yes, but please note there is a fee every year, and you will pay interest if you don't pay the full bill.
Understood. How can I deposit money today?
Fill out this deposit slip. Then I will make the transaction for you.
I also need to transfer money to another account.
No problem. Is it a wire transfer?
Yes, to my family abroad. What's the exchange rate today?
Let me check. $1 equals 0.90 euros.
Thanks. Also, if I spend more than I have, do I get an overdraft?
Yes, there will be a fee. You can avoid that by doing a balance inquiry regularly.
Good idea. Who will be the payee if I send a check?
The payee is the person you write the check to.
Great! Do you have a safe or a deposit box for important documents?
Yes, we do. You can rent a deposit box here at this branch.
One last question. Do I need a PIN for my debit card?
Yes, it's a secret code. Please don't share it with anyone.
All right. Thank you for all the information.
You're welcome. Here's your statement and all the details. Have a great day. Thank you for watching Lingo Ladder. Like and subscribe so you don't miss the next videos. Keep stepping up your English skills. See you soon.